today I wanted to do a little haul of all the things that I got over November and December. So it's kind of like Christmas mixed with thrifting and really big sales. The first thing that I got was 2 posters from Society 6. Let's see what these look like. Okay, here's a picture of kind of what I ordered and then the sale that they were on. And I'm thinking about putting them, I think, in the bathroom and in my room, and I'll show like some bigger pictures of them and all that. Ooh, I'm excited. This is the one that my roommate Gemma helps pick out. And it looks like this. It's amazing. It has a cute little Dalmatian. There's that. I think that's going to either go in her room or in our bathroom. And this one was supposed to be a poster of plants. And I guess I got a tiger mixed with it. So I'm going to need to return this one. Or I can just leave it and pretend that it's art. Whatever. And then the other thing that I purchased was from Aerie, and it was like a couple days before Christmas started, and so it was this big sale because I'm going to Aruba in August, which is really far away, but I was prepared. And so here's a picture of what I got, and it was kind of like this mix and match thing that you could do, and they were really on sale. Like they're usually $25 per piece, 25 for the top and 25 for the bottom, and so these are the bottoms look like. Super duper cute. I'll open what they look like. They're very like trendy kind of gingham. And hopefully they fit. They have these adjustable straps right here, which is really, really helpful. Right there, kind of like a tank top. And they're kind of high-waisted, high-rise. The top, hopefully the top fits me. It's a little big. I got it in a size medium, and it's kind of an off-the-shoulder top, and so these tie around the arms, like this, and they're adjustable. And in the model picture, I'll show you right here, she had like this strap tied in the front, so it was like this, but then you tie it like this. I don't know, I don't know. But it could be fun, so there's a lot of things to do with that. And it also came with a bag of straps so that it can just be attached there. And so this will be cute. I'm excited to wear this in the summer or to a hot tub in the winter. Also, there will be another thing that I'm filming later from Reformation because there was this giant 70% off sale and I got 3 items. For the Reformation, it's mostly a t-shirt and 2 kind of off the shoulder tops. So it's a little bit more summer based, which is for Aruba, which I'm planning very far ahead. It is currently December and Aruba's in August, so it's got a long time, but I just want to be prepared. Okay, moving on. The first thing I got, this is the Goodwill thrifting that I did last week and then today. One of the things that I got is this gorgeous gridded pattern, dark, rich, chocolatey colored Ralph Lauren blazer. It does have shoulder pads, so I might cut those out, but I don't actually hate them as much as I thought I did. And then we have some tortoise shell little buttons there as well. And it's really good quality. It's like brand new, totally clean. And I probably will pair this with a turtleneck and probably some black jeans. And the other thing that I got was this. It's kind of trendy, like the trench coat type thing, like the tan neutral colors, and it's J. Crew, and it has a really nice interior lining. It is a little wrinkly because I did wash it, but hopefully I can iron that out. And so it has really nice pockets, and the buttons are also tortoise shell, but they're a little bit more of a mixture with more colors. And I think the blazer before was about $13, and then that one was about $12. And this is the stuff that I got today. And this skirt, bear with me here. I went to the thrift store with my friend, I tried it on, and and I thought it was hilarious. It didn't really fit me that well, but I couldn't stop thinking about it, and so I decided to go back and get it. And it's like this high-low kind of style one, when I felt like that'd be kind of fun to dance in. And so I feel like this with, you could even wear leggings with it and wear it for the winter with some boots and a sweater. But I'm thinking this with probably an off-the-shoulder like top, or even a red swimsuit would look great. I'm probably going to alter it here, and so I'm going to seam rip it here and then just take it in a little bit so it fits my waist a little bit more. And this was $7, not bad. And these. So these are North Face kind of cargo pants, and I got them originally from my roommate Gemma, but I actually tried them on and they fit me, and I kind of love them. They're kind of hilarious to me, and they're the ones that zip off into shorts. And so I was walking around the house just wearing one pant leg unzipped and one pant zipped. And so this is what it looks like. I might wear them for hiking, or if I go anywhere with my roommates anytime soon, but it's not my style, but I thought it was really funny and a wonderful brand, and it was only probably $10. And this is another thing I got today. It's a gorgeous color. Red, I think, is my favorite color right now, and it's a really nice fit. You see, it's like above the knee length, and so it's easy enough to wear probably in the winter with a pair of black boots. And the ruffles at the bottom are super duper flattering. And so I'm thinking this would also be really, really fun to dance in with probably a white off the shoulder top. I'll show you the Reformation one that I'll be wearing with it, probably in Aruba, but that's really far away. But yeah, I thought this was cute. It kind of reminded me of a Reformation skirt without like a slit or anything like that. I think it's still pretty cute. And this was $7, so not too bad, but kind of pricey. And that's from the Loft, by the way, so it's still like a pretty nice brand. And I just got a basic t-shirt, gray, and it says Seattle on it. I'm not from Seattle. I've been to Seattle probably twice in my life, but it's cute, and I feel like rolling up the sleeves and cropping it. I'm probably gonna cut it and crop it. That with a pair of light wash denim, or black denim, or honestly like tucked in a skirt, kind of like a vintage, like retro look. I think that'll be really cute. This one was $5, and I believe it was a men's t-shirt, but who cares? Jeans. I can't believe I found jeans. So today I went to the Goodwill, and apparently tomorrow is 50% off the entire store. So I could have saved $25, but that's fine. These super duper cute. They even fit my legs. I have very short legs, like 26 inches. Like that's pretty short for a pair of legs. And so these are pretty wide-legged, but I might kind of cut it for the rough edges. That's really popular right now on like Redone and Reformation and things like that. These are nice. They have a little leather tag there, and they're by the brand Munkle, but I think it's pronounced Monk or Monkey, and I think it's not an American brand, but I'll leave like a link to the actual price right here. Not a link, but like a picture. And I got these for $8, so it's not totally horrible, especially for a pair of jeans. They're really clean and a really nice color. Like, look at that color, that's very nice. And surprisingly, I got another pair of jeans. I found another pair, and they fit me great. They are a little bit long on the bottom, but the waist fits me perfectly, and they're high rise, which is amazing. And they are Levi's, which is just even better. I think Levi's are very, very popular right now, especially vintage. So finding any my size is impossible. And these are the Relaxed Fit 550 jeans. I don't know. Okay, it's 3 days later, and I finally got Reformation. I'm going to take a look at these. I'll show you right here what I ordered. I ordered 3 shirts, and then later on I might do like a mix and match kind of outfit idea video, but we'll see. return policy. Okay, this top. I'm thinking it will go with this skirt here, the red one I was trying on. It's like from Loft and it's like Reformation type. This is so pretty. And it used to be $148. And I got it for $40. So this is what the back looks like. It's cinched, so it's kind of like stretchy. And I think it's made out of linen. And it has a really nice zipper, silver zipper. So I like that kind of detail there. Super duper cute. And this, it's not really ribbed, but like elastic armband. So it's off the shoulder. Like this. Very excited and will look really good. Green. And in Aruba. It's very like Italy, kind of in the countryside with your linen dress or shirt on with a skirt with a fruit plate, you know, a dream. And then these two, there's two things in this one, I believe. This is, I believe, an extra small off the shoulder black top. It's like striped, like ribbed kind of. Very, very nice. I'll put the price right here. But I got it, I think, for 15 or 18 or something. Very nice. This is gonna look really cute in the summer as well. With like a long skirt or shorts or something like that. This one I was a little bit worried about because I'm not really sure about the colors. I really like the red and the pink, but I don't really wear yellow that often, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm thinking this probably like tied at the bottom with like a pair of high-rise black or a light wash denim jeans. So there's that. It's just a simple t-shirt. It's a little see-through, which I'm kind of scared about, but I think it should be fine. Those are the 3 items that came late, and my camera died before this at the other video, so bye and thanks for watching.